Okay, let's continue exploring the settings. Then we have this remove Gutenberg preset. So maybe you know, maybe you don't know, WordPress, Gutenberg creates a set of predefined CSS variables and styles that are loaded. This is supposed to be used in the editor, but if you are using a page builder, probably you are not using those presets. So if you activate this option, this will opt out of loading those presets and you will save a few kilobytes. The next one is loading framework styles in Gutenberg. It's active by default. So if you go to a page and edit this page, your editor will get a dark background because I'm in dark mode, and OxyProps uses Surface 1 as the default site background color, and Surface 1 is a logical color that is responsive to light and dark mode. And my headings also use my styles, so they use the fluid font property. So this way the editor looks like it would look like on the front end, with the same responsive colors and the same font size. But some users like to have their editor neutral, and if this is your case, you can deactivate this behavior by deactivating this setting. Save, and back to editing our page in Gutenberg. Now we have no styles applied. So these are the default WordPress styles.